How to log in to Microsoft Outlook email on desktop. This tutorial shows you how to access Outlook email using desktop mode on your Android browser. First, launch your web browser or Chrome app on your Android device. Next, the browser homepage will appear ready for navigation. Following that, tap on the address bar at the top of the screen. Now, type Outlook.com or Outlook.live.com and press Enter. Moving forward, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your browser. Afterwards, look for Desktop Site or Request Desktop Site in the menu. In addition to that, tap on Desktop Site to enable desktop mode. Once the page reloads, you'll see the full desktop version of Outlook. Subsequently, tap on Sign In located at the top right corner. Moreover, enter your Microsoft email address in the provided field. Afterwards, tap on Next to proceed to the password page. Then, enter your Microsoft account password carefully. Within this section, tap on Sign In to access your Outlook inbox. Alternatively, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, verify your identity. Once verified, you'll be taken to your Outlook inbox with all your emails. Then, you can read, compose, and manage emails just like on a desktop computer. Afterwards, you can bookmark the page for quick access in the future. Then, you're now successfully logged into Microsoft Outlook email in desktop mode. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you log into Microsoft Outlook email on desktop, give it a like, subscribe for more email tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.